Right, progress report. I'm waiting for manifold parts. What I need next are there's some reflective tape coming to go on the bulkhead to protect that, because the 8-port manifold gets really close to it and it looks as though it's going to burn the paint. When I was on the LCB, it did melt the grommet that's in the back of the bulkhead, so I imagine this one's going to be just as bad. So as well as the reflective tape, there's some heat wrapping to go on as well. The manifold's got the lambda bungs already in. Welding doesn't look too bad this time, not that anybody's going to see it. So I'm waiting for that lot to come, so I can't do much more on that. I've got the throttle bodies on for the last time, and I've managed to get the P-clips underneath. You probably won't be able to see them, but they hold the fuel pipe nicely in place, so there's no chance of it rubbing on anything. Started working on the loom, and what I'm doing now is I've extended it from the back up here, lengthened it all with the correct coloured wires apart from the red, which is a combination of reds, and now I've got to shorten it to fit the various parts. I've got 3 cables here, which are, that's the throttle position sensor, and then 2 here for the air temperature sensor, which is sort of in here in the back plate, and then the remainder we've got pairs. Brown is injector 1, yellow and white injector 2, and then the other 2 injectors are there waiting to get shortened. And then the tricky part will be to shorten these to length and also to wrap them all with heat shrink and make it all as neat as possible so it's all waterproof at the front of the car. I'm still waiting for the clear heat shrink I've got ordered to come, so that I can put a little label on each injector, injector 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then put the clear heat shrink over that to protect the little label, and hopefully it should look quite neat. So that's the plans for the next 2 days. As you can tell by my attire, it's lovely and warm out here at the moment. It's about 5 degrees outside, it's not any warmer in here. So I'll just do a bit on the wiring and probably call it a day, because it's just not the weather for doing it at the moment. Yeah, so that's it for now. Next update will be probably when I wrap the manifolds. keep on going with this, and I'll end the video there. As I said, next video the wiring loom will be done, or well, this part of the wiring loom will be done, and hopefully by then the exhaust wrapping and etc. should have arrived, and I'll be able to get the exhaust on, and also picture the massive amounts of alloy I had to take off the remote to get the Maniflow exhaust system to fit.